Here's how to create a poster in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Create button, then search for Poster in the size options. Canva will usually show a few poster formats, including standard poster and sometimes landscape poster, so choose the one that fits the type of design you want to make. As soon as the blank poster opens, you'll be in the editor and ready to build your design. If you already know the topic of your poster, this is a good time to decide the main title, subtitle, and any short text you want included, because that will make the rest much faster. In this workflow, instead of designing everything from scratch inside Canva, you can use ChatGPT to help generate a Canva-friendly poster layout. Open ChatGPT in a new browser tab. In the prompt box, type a clear request that explains your topic and asks for a Canva-friendly, fully editable poster. For example, you can ask for a poster for an event, school project, business promotion, or awareness campaign, depending on what you're making. If you're using a free ChatGPT account, keep in mind you may have usage limits, so make your prompt specific the first time. The clearer your prompt is, the less editing you'll need later. Include the poster topic, style, colors if you want them, and the kind of text sections you need. Once ChatGPT generates the file or content you're planning to use, download it to your computer. Make sure you save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder, because you'll need to upload it into Canva in the next step. Now go back to your Canva poster tab. On the left side of the editor, click Uploads. Then choose Upload Files and select the file you just downloaded. Canva will import it into your project. Depending on the file type, you may see it appear in the Uploads panel after a few seconds. When the upload finishes, click the uploaded design or drag it onto your poster canvas. From here, you can adjust anything that needs changing. If the text is editable, click directly into each text area to replace placeholder content with your own details. If the layout looks a little off, drag elements to reposition them. You can also resize text, change fonts, swap colors, or add images from Canva's side panel if needed. One common beginner mistake here is uploading the file but not placing it onto the canvas. If you don't see anything change in the poster, make sure you've actually clicked the uploaded file so it appears in the editor area. Before you finish, review the poster from top to bottom. Check the title, dates, names, contact details, and spelling. Also make sure nothing important is too close to the edges, especially if you plan to print it. When everything looks right, click Share in the top corner, then choose Download. Select the file type you want. PDF is usually best for printing, while PNG works well for sharing online. Then download your finished poster to your device. You're all set.